Good morning, children. Today we are going to begin with assignment. So I have already asked you to maintain 100 pages book for assignment. So in your assignment book, on the index page, number 1, you are going to fill your index with the topic story writing and the date will be 20th July 2021. Now whatever notes are given on story writing, which you can see on the screen, has to be written on the left page. On the left page also you will put the date and the topic. Story writing or telling is an art of putting together or narrating a sequence of events that form a plot or a tale. It is a series of events, incidents, and experiences. It involves characters and actions to make the story interesting. What are the elements of a short story? Setting, characters, plot, surprise, theme. Generally, a story is divided into 3 paragraphs. First, you have the introduction, which contains of 3 to 4 sentences, and that introduction should capture the interest of the reader. The main plot or story should maintain linkage of ideas and thoughts, and the conclusion or the moral should drive home a message. So from the story you should get the message as to what or the moral of the story. Develop a story with the given beginning or ending. So either you will be given a question to develop a story with the beginning or with the ending. Avoid repetition. Frame simple sentences. And see that you maintain grammatical accuracy. Use correct spellings, and wherever punctuation is required, make use of it. Direct speech is used to make the story interesting and lively. And you will write a story. A story is normally written in the past tense. And don't forget to give a title to your story. So all this has to be written on the left page. Even this question, you leave 2-3 lines on the left page, and the question also, that is these 4 lines, you will write it on the left page. The sentence given below is the beginning of an incident. Narrate the complete story in your own words. Now they have given you the beginning. One night, my sleep was suddenly disturbed by some strange noises coming from the direction of the drawing room. Till here, you are going to write it on the left page. And then you will move to your right hand side. On the top red margin, you will write story writing. Leave 1 line. And on the next line, you write the heading. to catch a thief and underline it. Is it clear? Now the story. Two finger space, begin with a paragraph. One night, my sleep was suddenly disturbed by some strange noises coming from the direction of the drawing room. It was dark, and I took a look at the radium dial on my watch. It was 3:30 a.m. Who could that be in the drawing room? Use the punctuation. The next paragraph. I got up from my bed and tiptoed softly into the room. What I saw there gave me the shock of my life. I could see a shadow busily engaged in ransacking the place. I could make out that it was a tall, burly man. He had a sack into which he was putting in the articles of the house, our laptop, the alarm clock, and our DVD player, amongst other things. I was afraid there was no way I could tackle this thief single-handedly. So I went to my parents' bedroom. I shook my father awake and whispered, "Papa, there's a thief in the house." Quickly he got up and picked up a walking cane. The two of us went barefoot into the drawing room. The thief was busy to notice us. Father went softly to the main door of our house and unlatched it. Then he began shouting, "Chor, chor, chor." The thief turned around in alarm and made for the door, but father blocked his way. I too shouted at the top of my voice. There was a brief tussle between father and the thief. Within moments, however, neighbors had come to our rescue and the thief was quickly overpowered. We called in the police and the thief was arrested. It seems he was a notorious criminal and the police had been on the lookout for him for some time. They praised our efforts at apprehending a man who was wanted by the police. So I hope you understood. This is the way you're going to write a story. So whatever is given, beginning or ending, you have to go accordingly. So write this in your assignment book neatly. Is it clear? Thank you, boys. Take care.